In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a voucher or coupon on eBay. Sometimes the thrill of finding a great deal isn't just in the shopping itself, but in knowing you got an extra bit of savings through a coupon. Whether you're a seasoned eBay shopper or a newcomer, understanding how to apply a voucher correctly can make a significant difference to your shopping experience. So let's get into it. First, it's essential to start by finding a valid coupon. Before you get too excited about the discount, ensure that the voucher or coupon you found is indeed applicable to the item you wish to purchase. This means checking the terms of the coupon and making sure it hasn't expired. There's nothing more frustrating than planning a purchase only to realize at the last moment that the coupon isn't valid. So take a moment to double check these details. Once you're certain your coupon is valid, proceed to add your desired item to your shopping cart. Now click to proceed to the checkout page. This is your gateway to finalizing your purchase, and knowing where to enter your coupon code is crucial. On the checkout page there will be a specific section titled Gift Cards and Coupons. In this section you will find a redemption field where you can enter your coupon code. Take care to enter the code accurately, paying close attention to every character, as even a small mistake can lead to the code being unrecognized. Once you've entered the code, go ahead and click the apply button. Upon successful application, you should see the discount reflected in your order total. If this doesn't happen, it's worth reviewing the code or checking for any restrictions or exclusions highlighted in the coupon's terms and conditions. Finally, confirm all the details of your order. Make sure everything looks right from the correct item to the updated price. Once you're satisfied, proceed to complete the payment process to finalize your purchase and enjoy your savings. There are a few key notes to keep in mind. Most eBay coupons are for one-time use only and typically cannot be used in combination with other promotional offers. This means planning your purchases around these limitations can help maximize your savings. It's also crucial to be aware of any additional restrictions or exclusions that might apply to your coupon. If you encounter any problems during the process, double check the details to ensure everything aligns with the coupon's criteria. Understand that these little tips can help ensure your eBay shopping is smooth and budget friendly. Happy shopping, and may your next eBay purchase be a bargain.